Okay. Okay. I like this. Well, the sun is gray. We gon' shine. Let's bound and parlay. As you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be turning this into that. Okay, so stay tuned if that's something you want to see. Again, welcome back to Glasshouse Maya. You know nobody fly it. Today, this is going to be a lock transformation hairstyle. I've never done this style. It's going to be curly locks, and right now my hair looks pretty crazy. Okay, so I just got some touch-up dye on my edges because I want to do that. That's my business. It's my hair. I do what I want to, but my hair grows outside of my locks quite a bit. I don't know if it's something I'm doing wrong, but got my locks back in a bun because I had a scarf over it. I am going to be using flexi rods for this style. I've seen a lot of videos where people use hot water wave rods, like the ones you dip in hot water. I'm not going to be doing that because I don't have any. I didn't buy any, and I didn't want to try that. I got these flexi rods. So I ordered this pack off of Amazon. There's 60 in this pack. It also came with 2 combs. I have 64 locks for those of you who don't know, so I'm gonna have to double up on a couple of them so that I have enough flexi rods. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep in this. I really don't know. I don't even know how this is about to go, how this is about to look. Plan is to have some bangs in the front and just curls hanging down on the side and the back. That's the plan. Now, this video may be a fail before we get to the end, but that depends on if I do it right, take my time. So I'm gonna go wash this out, come back. So let me close the door, because if not, you're gonna hear kids in the background. I washed my hair, got the dye out, and I'm just kind of letting it dry. So this is how it looks now. Okay. How the edges look. Come on, light, now. What is wrong with you? Okay, so anyway, you gonna do that every time I talk? Okay, okay. The light won't let me be. The light won't let me be great. Okay, so this is my hair wet. I can't stand it when it's like straight like this. So anyways, I wash my hair with mane and tail. This is what I use. I do have another one that's paraben free and all of that stuff, but this is what I normally use. And so today, how I use this, I boil some hot water. I put the hot oil treatment in the plastic in the hot water. This one is the Queen Helene, the olive oil one. And I'm just going to spread this on my head. I got some plastic bags to hold in the heat. And I'm going to leave this on. Normally I leave these on for about 20 minutes. But I think I'm going to do a shorter time period, because it say 3 minutes. But I leave it on for longer than that. So you just apply. Ooh, that thing hot. So you just apply this on there. And it's going to like soak up like that. That lets me know that it's on there. And try and get it like all over your scalp. Not so much worry about the ends. Don't worry about the ends. I like to get it on my edges and the rest of my hair. Just make sure you rub it in and saturate your whole scalp. Massage it onto my scalp. I got these long nails, so I don't want to scratch. But just kind of maneuver it around till it's all, you can feel it all over. So I have 2 of these because my hair ain't gonna fit. So I have to get 2. And I only use hot oil treatments, if I didn't mention this, only probably 4 times a year. Every 3 months or every 4 months. And that's how I do that. Kind of cover my ears with the second one. And that's it. So I'm gonna let this sit for probably 15 minutes. I'm not gonna go longer than that. All right, so I'm back. So what was that? Child, I've been letting this towel sit on my head, kind of letting it soak up some of the water, but I am gonna sit under my dryer. I have one of those hair dryers, those Conair hair dryers. I look for hairstyles that still look good without retwisting your hair, because I don't want to retwist my hair all the time. Nobody wants to put that much tension on your hair. So I am, however, probably off camera going to try and retwist just the front row so that can look kind of, I might not. Yeah, I might, because the hair, I don't want this hair sticking up. Like, we not doing this. So yeah, I'm gonna retwist the front row and that's it. So products I'm using: rose water and glycerin. It missed out, so it's not really a lot. So we're gonna spray some of that on there. My scalp, I use what is that stuff called? So I just use regular avocado oil. I find that avocado oil, it's a little bit of a heavier oil, but it does strengthen my roots. So I just kind of go in and lightly apply. I don't put too much. It may look like I'm doing a lot, but ain't much coming out of there because I'm not really squeezing. I took out one pack. I figured I can give you a slight tutorial on how I roll these, or how I'm going to roll these, like I've done this before. How I'm going to roll these. These are, let's see what size they are. So they're 0.6 and they're 7 inches long, okay? They come in different colors. I just chose the orange because I wanted to. So that's one lock. I twist my locks towards my face. So I'm just gonna roll it that way. Boom. We're not looking for no perfectly twisted locks. So here's this. I'm gonna start somewhere, I don't know, 1 inch around the end. Let me see if I can be able to bend it like that. Okay, so yeah. So let's do this. Okay, let me see if I can show y'all. So I'm just gonna roll over that end. And I'm trying to roll these tightly, like very close to each other, so I can have a nice, see, like that, so I can have a nice spiral. Like, I want them close so that when they fall, they give me a nice, see, I didn't do that right. Okay, so that's how. Okay, we're gonna try a different method this next time. Let me get this hairline lined up. I'm trying not to make this video long. I'm gonna start in the middle. So I'm gonna wrap it around. There's my end. I'm gonna go over it with this one and try and wrap over the end and just keep rolling it around like that. And then once I get to the top, I don't want it too tight because I want to be able to sleep at night. I'm gonna fold it down and I fold the bottom up. And you can roll that again. I don't know if I should be doing that though, but that's only 2. I could have got shorter ones, okay? In the middle this time, but down still at the end, getting that end wrapped around there and overlapping it like that, and just roll. This is actually easy, I will say that much. Probably could have done the same thing with the other type of rollers. Okay, so Yeah, getting it in the middle works better. So anyways, I'm gonna go off camera, finish this, come back, show you the completed thing, because I probably can do that a whole lot faster, not trying to look at it, especially in the back, but I do want to make sure the front is retwisted. I'm gonna be back, and I'm gonna let you know how long this takes. So shiny from the oil. I'm gonna have to go wipe my face, but this is it. I look like...
Your hair looks stupid.
This look crazy. It feels crazy. Y'all might have to sleep like a vampire, like standing up. Sitting up like a vampire. We're going for curly fries. We're going for Shirley Temple curls here. We're going for that. We want that bounce, okay? I'll be back tomorrow morning, okay?
The next day.
Alright, so it's morning. I done got myself dressed, all up, shined, and all of that stuff. Got myself together. This is how this was able to fit on my head. So yeah, let's take it off. So I did sit under the dryer for 30 minutes last night. I hope that the back is dry. We just gonna start with this one right here, because it's right here in the front. I'm gonna straighten it, and I don't want to really unravel it. I kind of need to slide it. Should I be sliding this up or down? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. It's not sliding. Okay, okay. 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 I like this. Okay, I need to figure out how to get it off though. My hand's sweating because it's hot in here. Let's just keep moving. And then I'm gonna pause and come back because I need to figure out how to slide these. And I have to loosen it up a little bit. Okay, I can slide it down. If I loosen it up. Okay, that is not working the way I hope for it to work. Somebody help me in the comments. What's the easiest way to take these things down without destroying the curl? Because I don't want it to be pulled like that. I want it to kind of stay tight. So y'all help me out in the comments down below on how to get these out without like really unraveling them, because I don't want them spirally like that. I want them to kind of stay. I should have put them more to the end, huh? Remember, I said I started with them at the end and I started putting them in the middle. Lesson learned, okay? You want to slide them off easier, put them more to the end of one side, I suppose. Because this is too tight. Yeah, okay. I'm going to get these off and I'm going to come back. So like once I get it off the edge, it's like easier. Oh, way too longer. Just be careful with your locks. Don't try to snatch it out. You can just unravel it. You'll have those bigger spiral curls, kind of like this one. But I don't really want it like that, because it's going to fall like that anyways. So I'm trying to keep it from doing that in the beginning here. And I'm looking over here because I can see better. Okay, so they're all out. I'm gonna do a spin around. And that's how they look. Got the bang. So I don't know. This one is giving me like you need to scrunch up and go somewhere. But I need to spray it. I'm gonna spray the backs. I feel like I didn't spray the back. I found it easier after I got in the flow of doing it, that it was easier to pull them down versus trying to slide them upward, if that makes sense. Like, they're wrapped this way, so this is the part that's closest to your head, so just slide that down. But you do it how you want to do it. But that is this video, and I'm just going to be looking at different ways I can style this, give myself a bang and a side part. I'm going to try and stay away from the edge control for a little bit. But yeah, this is it. So that has been this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Likes don't cost you anything, and they're free, okay? It's right there on your TV, on your device, on your screen. You can just pause it, go up, and tap the like button. Comment down below if this is something you're going to be doing to your locks or your hair in general. These flexi rods are not just for locks, they're for curls. You can do it to natural hair, you can do it to relaxed hair, however you want to do it. That's your business, okay? But again, this is Glasshouse Maya. You know nobody flyer. Turn on your bell notification so that you will be notified when I upload my next video. And thanks for watching. I love it.
We got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving. And you see it.